we guide you through how to change primary currency on PayPal. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your PayPal account using a browser because some currency settings are easier to access on desktop. Once you're on the dashboard, click the settings icon at the top right, then go to the payments or wallet section depending on your interface. Look for currencies and select the option that says manage currencies. Here, you'll see all the currencies currently active on your account. If the currency you want is not listed, click Add Currency, choose your preferred one from the drop down, and confirm. After adding it, find that currency in your list and click the three dots or the option button next to it. Then select Make Primary. PayPal may ask you to convert any remaining balance from your old primary currency. So review the conversion rate carefully before confirming to avoid unexpected charges. If you want to skip conversions fees, it's the best to withdraw or use the existing balance first before switching. Once confirmed, your new currency becomes the default for receiving payments and viewing your balance. Keep in mind that some accounts, especially in certain regions, may have limitation on primary currency changes. So if you don't see the option, you might need to contact PayPal support directly from the help center.